Hello. In this video, I will show you how we can create a chess pattern in Microsoft Excel. Look, here's an example. The cells look like a chessboard. For that, first open Excel. Then select 8 columns and resize it to appear like a chessboard. Repeat this task with 8 rows also. Now the cells are resized like squares. Now go to Home tab. From there, go to Styles group and select Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule. From this window, select the last one, that is, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we need to type a formula code. I have copied it in my clipboard, so I am going to paste it right here. You can get this formula from first comment. Then click on Format button. A new window will be shown. In this window, select Fill tab and select black color. Click OK. Click OK. It's enough. Now look. This file looks like a chessboard, isn't it? I have given this formula in first comment along with downloadable link of this work file in description box. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.